Farm Animals by Miss Folsom's class.
Cows. Happy spot. Tail. Calves by Matthew. Ducks. Water, swim, fly. Ducks by Cupid. Sheep. Cute, fluffy, loud. Sheep by Aspen. Pigs. Dirty, funny, squishy. Pigs by Eva. Sheep. Soft, cute, cuddly. Sheep by Emily. Cows. Moo, milk, stinky. Cows by Jacob.
Chickens. They lay eggs. They go cluck, cluck. They have feet. Chickens by Flynn.
Sheep. Furry and cute. I love them. Sheep by Lillian. Chicks. Fuzzy, cute, cuddly. Chicks by Jordan. Cows. Soft, brown, black. Cows by Molly. Sheep. Cute, loud, cuddly. Sheep by William. Pigs. Smelly, jumping, run, cute. Pigs by Jacob. Sheep. Furry, cute, soft. Sheep by Haley. Chicken. Soft wings, has feathers, lays eggs. Chicken by Ethan. Chicks. Yellow, soft, cute. Chicks by Graham. Pigs. Pink, snort, oink. Pigs by Jamarian. Pigs. Smelly, pink, squishy. Pigs by Cameron. Ducks. They are cute. They swim. They are soft. Ducks by Kim. Cows. Moo, black, smelly. Cows by Alyssa. Chicks. Soft, cute, adorable. Chicks by Emily. Cows. Moo, furry, soft. Cows by Lexia. Chickens. They peck. Cute, not fast. Chickens by Isabella. Pigs. Splashy, squishy, muddy. Pigs by Jeffrey.